Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is regarding there, there, there. In this video, I will be explaining better. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept clear. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. In the beginning, I am going to say about there, T-H-E-R-E. Let's see the use of there in sentences. He went there to play cricket. Here there is used to modify a verb, went, one action word. So there is here one adverb. Next sentence, hi there. Here there is a substitution for a name. So there is one pronoun. There is a cow in the field. Here there is used for a noun, a cow. So there is one pronoun. Next sentence, she is there to answer all your questions. Here there is used to describe a pronoun. So there is one adjective. Next sentence, there it's finished. Here there used for emphasizing. Here there is one interjection. Right? Next sentence, the container is filled with apples. You can take two from there. Here there shows a place, a point. So there is one noun. Next, there, T-H-E-I-R. Okay, let's have a look to the sentences. They are playing with their friends. The house is of theirs. In both the sentences, there is possessive pronoun. Okay, next there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. They are good players. They are playing very well. There means what here? They are good players. They are playing very well. There is one contraction, contracted form of they are. The pronunciation of these three words, there is same, but in their uses they are different. As per the construction of the sentence, we have to choose the exact there. I hope you got my point. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section to motivate a teacher to make more videos for you. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.